Blend together roasted beets and creamy feta cheese to create the most beautiful and nutritious pasta sauce. Start by bringing a large pot of water to a boil, seasoning it with salt, and cooking your pasta until al dente. While the pasta is cooking, in the bowl of a food processor, combine your roasted beets, Greek yogurt or cottage cheese, freshly squeezed lemon juice, and of course, beautiful feta, making sure that it's drained before adding it to the food processor. Add your garlic and seasoning and then top off with your olive oil. Place the lid on the food processor and start blending all the ingredients together until smooth. Use a rubber spatula to scrape down the sides to make sure all the ingredients get blended. Once your pasta is cooked, reserve 1 cup of the pasta water, set it aside, and then drain the pasta. In the same pot, place your beet and feta mixture into the pot and add some of the pasta water to thin it out and create a nice smooth sauce. Bring it to a simmer, stirring so that all the ingredients are well melted, and then add back the pasta into the sauce. Fold the pasta into the sauce so that they are all covered in the beet and feta pasta sauce, and then you're ready to serve with some beautiful pecan nuts, some feta cheese, and freshly chopped cilantro or parsley. You won't believe how beautiful and delicious this beet and feta pasta is, perfect for any night of the week. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.